So here on my channel, I'll teach you how to replace high caloric foods with low caloric nutrient dense options. And if you gradually do this, you will not just lose weight, but you also will transform your health. And this is what we're all about here on this channel. This is mostly for you if you're a beginner and you don't know where to start. We're going to talk about very easy to replace options in a typical American diet. Remember, no matter which diet you're on, the reason you lose weight is because you are in a caloric deficit. Today we're talking about 5 foods that might be easy for you to replace, and you can start with this today. So let's start with the food item number 1. Coke and other sodas. So 1 can of Coke has 140 kilocalories. If you weigh 200 pounds and you're a male, then to burn 140 kilocalories, you have to go on a 30-minute walk. You can save those calories by drinking zero sugar options. All the sodas have zero sugar options. You will not have those 140 calories that are really empty calories. They're high sugar. They lead to blood sugar spikes. They can increase your insulin resistance, so they're really not a good idea. Number 2 on the list is still a drink. We're talking about orange juices and apple juices. So 12 ounce, so a large serving of Minute Maid orange juice, for example, has 150 calories. You can easily save those calories by, instead of drinking the juice, you drink water and you eat the orange. An orange usually has around 80 to 100 calories depending on the size, and it will make you feel saturated more because it comes with a lot of dietary fiber, and the sheer volume of an orange will make you saturated more than if you drink an orange juice. The next item on the list is chips. So potato chips come with a massive calorie punch. A 1.5 ounce bag of Lay's regular potato chips has 240 calories. If you want to have something crunchy, a good snack to replace chips with is carrots. 1.5 ounces of carrots only have 17 calories. Replacing chips with carrots is an easy thing to do. They have a lot of beta carotene, they have a lot of antioxidants, they have a lot of dietary fiber. They will help you to lose weight, they will make you feel more saturated. Another thing that you can replace is cookies. We're going with Oreos. One normal Oreo has 53 calories, so just one cookie. A double stuffed Oreo has 140 calories, and a golden Oreo, I have no idea what that is actually. A golden Oreo has more calories than a can of Coke. So instead of going for cookies, why don't you just eat a bunch of small fruit? You could eat strawberries, you could eat blackberries, raspberries, blueberries. They're sweet, they have their antioxidant powerhouses, they have a lot of vitamins, they do have some fiber. One large strawberry has approximately 6 calories. So you can eat 8 of those strawberries to replace one Oreo cookie. The last thing on the list are chocolate bars. So a standard Snickers bar, a 2 ounce standard Snickers bar is 250 calories. We talked about this in the last video already. Those are all empty calories. Again, they're very sugary. They do spike your blood glucose levels. You can replace those very easily with fruit. For example, with bananas or apples or pears. So for example, 1 banana has 120 calories per piece, which means you can replace 1 Snickers bar with 2 bananas that will make you feel saturated longer, will provide a lot of fiber, will provide a lot of minerals, and at the same time will make you feel full longer. The bottom line is, when I started losing weight, I'm a big snacker. And instead of the sweets and the candy bars and the pastries that I used to snack, especially pastries were my thing, I started snacking fruits, started snacking cucumbers and carrots. I not just started to feel better almost instantly, but I also started to lose weight. You can save 140 calories by replacing your Coke in the afternoon with a 0-calorie Coke. Save roughly 200 calories by replacing your chips with carrots. Roughly save 70 calories by replacing your orange juice with an orange. So if you put that all together, you can save easily 400 calories in a day. 400 calories are an 80-minute walk for a 200-pound man. So if you're eating some of those foods and you want to lose weight, the easiest way to start is to replace those foods with 0-calorie or low-calorie options. Those are all examples. Start trying them out and see if they work for you. You may save a lot of calories already, and you can do this week. And if you want to learn more, please consider to subscribe to my channel. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Our book is up soon for pre-order as well, and we explain this and a lot more in detail in this book. And I see you later. I'm out.